Hello and welcome to our channel Technical Pro, the best of technology right here. Here in this video, we are going to show you how to make a poster for Instagram using Canva Mobile App. First, we will go to the Play Store and download the Canva app. I've already downloaded it in my phone. So when you open the Canva app, you will see so many options here. There are mobile videos option, Instagram post, logos, collage, whatever you want to make. You can select a built-in template, or you can always start with a blank template. I will start with a blank template and I'm going to make an Instagram post, so I will select the option Instagram. This is the best part of the Canva. You don't have to define the size for Instagram post. It will automatically detect the size when you select Instagram post. First, I'm going to add some element as I'm going to make a sale post. So I will search for shirts with models, so I can get a decent picture or element. I think I got the picture here. Yes. Now this picture is too big for my poster. I'm going to crop it, and from the bottom you can see the crop option, and you can crop according to your needs. uh, yes. Okay, now I'm going to place it in the corner of my canvas. You can always resize your picture, crop your picture, or change your positions of the element or pictures as you want. You can always use your own pictures if you have, but if you don't have, so Canva also have a great collection of photos and videos. You can use them. Now I'm going to add a background to my poster. I'm making everything in the gray tone, so I will select the gray options here, and with gray I will go for the black color for text. Here I have added a simple heading text, and I will write my text summer as it is a summer sale. You can place it anywhere you want. You can also rotate it whatever you like. Okay. Now we are going to change its font style. Okay. Let's select a decent one for our sale poster. This looks good. Black mango medium. Uh, I can change the font size from the bottom option also. Yeah, this looks good. Now I am going to add another heading for the text sale, because I am going to change the font size and style of the sale here. Different. Let's select a font style for sale. Now I'm going to increase the size of sale here, because I want when a customer see our poster, the first thing that attracts them is the sale. So this is actually a marketing tactic. So you always make your poster so that it can attract your customers, it can attract users. Okay, so now I'm going to write up to 50% off. It's done. Oh, it looks good. You can change positions. Oh, now we are going to add some elements as it is a sale post. So I will search for promotion, and you see so many options are available. You can use images, you can use elements. So I have selected this speaker type icon, because this is kind of an announcement that we are having a summer sale that up to 50% off. So it will look good here. Now in the element section I will search for circle for some to place my logo there. You can place your logo as it is on your image, or you can place something for your logo, like I have placed this circle, and now I'm going to place a logo here. For logo I'm not actually placing a picture. I'm writing just a text. You can change your color of all the elements. As you can see, this is actually a gray tone post. I've added each and everything in the gray color, so I will make sure that all the elements I've added either black or gray in color. Okay, so here you can place your logo, and from the download option you can download your image in whatever format you like you can download in png, you can download in jpeg, you can download gif. Oh, here it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye.